How to use berberine patches explained. Step 1. Choose an application area. Apply the patch to upper arm, shoulder, upper back, or hip area. Choose skin that is clean, dry, hairless, or minimally hairy, free of cuts, rashes, or irritation. Step 2. Clean and dry the skin. Before applying, wash the area with mild soap and water, dry completely, and don't apply lotions, oils, or powders. These products can make the patch stick poorly and may reduce absorption. Step 3. Apply the patch. Open the package, remove the protective backing, place the sticky side onto your skin, and press firmly with your palm for 10 to 30 seconds. Make sure all edges are securely attached. Step 4. Wear the patch. Most berberine patch manufacturers recommend wearing the patch for 6 to 8 hours, although some brands may specify longer periods. Always follow the instructions supplied with your patch. While wearing the patch, avoid scratching it, replace it if it falls off, and stop using it if severe skin irritation develops. Now, do berberine patches actually work? The evidence is still limited. Berberine itself has been studied for blood sugar and metabolic health, but research on berberine patches specifically is much more limited than research on oral berberine supplements. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.